Welcome to my nighttime beauty routine to get ready for my beauty sleep. So this one will consist of my skincare as well as my hair care. So all of these products I've been enjoying for the past couple months now. This one is the L'Occitane Immortal Divine Cleansing Balm. So this cleansing balm serves in my double cleanse method whenever I'm wearing makeup, which I was today. So this one melts down into a nice luxurious oil. So it has the consistency of Vaseline, but also with cleansing properties in there that actually cleans the skin, removes makeup, lifts even the waterproof products, and it just leaves this nice shiny gloss on my face when you put it on. It's very aesthetically pleasing and soothing to use this product. It just literally feels like I'm smearing grease all over my skin, and I just love seeing the effects of the makeup being effortlessly lifted from my skin. So it contains Immortal Essential Oil, which helps to even my skin tone and boost glow, and it feels very silky and luxurious on my skin. My skin usually feels very silky but clean at the same time. So I follow up with the Glow Recipe Cleanser. So this one is the avocado ceramide. And the texture of this is very soothing. So it is a hydrated cleanser, which is perfect for my skin type since I have dry skin. So it also contains oatmeal, avocado, hyaluronic acid to moisturize and protect that skin barrier, as well as pre and postbiotics, which helps to keep the skin barrier nice and healthy so that my skin doesn't break out and dry out as easily. So it feels very silky on the skin, and also after rinsing it off, my skin feels very silky but really clean at the same time. I love this cleanser. I've also been using it for a couple months now. It's been my go-to cleanser lately. The third step is my Farmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. So this is a ceramide based moisturizer, which is really great for super dry skin. It is very heavy and thick, which is what I go for my skin. So this is the texture and consistency of it. So it contains a lot of shea butter in there. It also contains honey, which are great ceramides for hydrating my skin, and that humectant of the honey helped me to attract and draw in even more moisture while wearing this moisturizer. So this moisturizer is so incredible, y'all. It just feels so good. You don't even need a serum. Just using this moisturizer alone will give you a nice glow by itself instantly. So I've been using this one since the fall, and it's been about 4 to 5 months now, and it has become one of my favorite moisturizers to use every single day. And the final step is my lips. So I love the Laneige Sleeping Mask. This one is the Eggnog Latte, and it smells so good. It's not fall anymore, but I have so much left. I feel like this is going to last an entire year. So I just rub that sleeping mask on. It feels very rich and thick on the lips. It hydrates my lips overnight while I sleep. It has a lot of great ingredients such as berry fruit extracts, coconut oil, and shea butter. It just feels so good. As you can see, it has a nice shine, and I love it so much. Now it's time to prep my hair for bed. So I have been wearing these kinky twist extensions for the past 3 weeks now, and they still look amazing. So I will be showing you how I prep my hair for bed to boost hair growth as well as promote length retention while protective styling. So if you haven't seen the tutorial on how I install these, I will leave it down below so you can see. So for my kinky twist, I usually just remove any scrunchie or accessories that I have. This is going to allow me to sleep well and nothing is interrupting my sleep because I'm not uncomfortable. So relieving tension is key for getting your beauty sleep. So I am starting by spraying some spring water onto my twist, making sure that my natural hair stays hydrated on a daily basis while I protect the style. This is going to assist with length retention in the long run. So I recently started using the Ladoura scalp massage device to boost my hair growth with microcurrents, this serum pod, and also medical grade red light therapy. So this is the serum pod that comes with the Ladoura device. I am all out of the first serum pod since I've been using it for the past month now, so it's time to replace it. So I just pressed the button to turn on my Ladoura device, and as you can see, it has red light therapy. There is a massage there's microcurrent massage, and it is also heated to help stimulate hair growth by helping that serum to penetrate into my scalp. So I just rest that device onto my scalp, and it is the most relaxing feeling ever. Oh my goodness. Not only is this stuff relaxing to help induce better sleep and help me to just fall asleep faster, it also helps to promote hair growth. So I have been noticing that I'm growing like extra edges. I don't know. But I feel like my edges are thickening up so much. Like I see like the whiskers coming further down, and I can see the growth in my twists. If you can look closely, I have a lot of new growth for just 3 weeks. So I know that this is definitely working so well for me. So it is an amazing tool that I recently added to my hair regimen. I've been doing a lot of research on the power of massages and making sure that the scalp is healthy, in addition to making sure that the length of my hair is healthy. Now what I do is flip all of my twists over on top of my head. So I will be pineappling all of the hair to the top. This is going to relieve tension on my head, and it is also going to make sure that my twists do not get frizzy as fast and they stay nice and uniformed. So I'm just gathering that twist to the top, and then I take my satin scrunchie so that it doesn't dry out my hair and it doesn't create any dents the next day. So this is the satin scrunchie I will be using, and I just go ahead and wrap that satin scrunchie around my twist one time to form a pineapple or a ponytail at the top of my head. And then I just cover my hair with my satin bonnet. The satin bonnet is going to reduce moisture loss in those twists. It's going to keep my twists nice and juicy and hydrated so that the hairstyle can last longer. And it also protects my natural hair from drying out so that I can retain length over time. So that is it for my nighttime beauty routine for my hair and skin. I hope that you guys like this video and maybe you try some of the products and get great benefits from them. So I will be linking everything down below. You can also find them in my YouTube shopping links under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.